Okay, real quickly, we just got an update. Actually, we got an upgrade on the Omni Assist with our SageMaster, the AI enhanced trading API that I am using and that hundreds of thousands of people are using in Europe and overseas, and it just got introduced here in the United States by us about 3, 4 weeks ago. And so we have several people using it here in the United States now, and it's doing great. So let me bring you all this this new update real quick, this new upgrade. Let me share my screen. Okay, so and give me a second. Let me share my computer sound so you all can hear this. All right. All right, there we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what the new updates are with the Omni Assist.
Markets don't move in straight lines. Sometimes they trend. Sometimes they stall. Sometimes they drop fast. Enter Omni Assist, now upgraded with Omni Intelligence, an analytical tool designed to help you configure strategies more efficiently and with less guesswork. Just select your trading pair and time frame, short-term for quicker market moves, or long-term for broader trends. Omni Intelligence analyzes past price behavior and processes the current market conditions, uptrend, range, or downtrend, then suggests a setup aligned with that analysis. Smart grid levels and adaptive DCA orders adjust accordingly, giving you a clearer starting point. Have your own insights? You can always review or override the AI suggestion. Choose short term, and the smart grid narrows to fit active moves, while preloaded protective orders help you plan for volatility. No spreadsheets, fewer manual steps, and transparent control over every setting before you click Start. Want to test it first? Launch Omni Assist in paper trading mode. Then use the same configuration when you're ready.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. So I really like this. This is the an upgrade to the SageMaster, of course. And this is great. And when you get your SageMaster, you'll get, notifications pretty much every other day they're upgrading this thing. So it's like every other day they're doing some type of upgrade to it. And it's, I love it. I love it. As y'all can see with my account here today, um, today I'm averaging, today is showing my daily profit for today is $60.02. And it's showing that my, break it down to y'all by each one. It's showing a total monthly profit so far. Well, it says monthly, but that's all I've made. But I've only been doing this for 10 days, 13 days. So it's really in 13 days, my total profit has been $2,644.17. And that's $384.69 on one pair that I'm trading on crypto that I chose. I didn't trust the AI to I didn't consult the AI with choosing when I first opened this up, and then I did trust the AI and relied on the AI with this trading pair, and I've got a realized profit of $2,248.06, and that has been in the last 10 days and 1 hour, so basically 10 days. And I this is a new one that I started, and I have $11.42 in realized profit, and that's been running for 3 days now. Um, you see, the unrealized profit is in the negative right now, but that's not bad because that means that the market is starting to do a downtrend, and then my system, the AI, is going to purchase make small purchases at the lower amounts. But it's not what it's not going to do is if it drops below my lower limit, it is not going to make any purchases. It's not gonna make any trades. It's gonna hold that. So as long as it stays within my lower limit set, then it will continue to make little small purchases, and then it'll wait for the market to start trending back up, and when it does, it'll start cashing out. So yeah, that's it. So right now I'm averaging probably looks like I'm averaging, you know, somewhere close to about $301 per day. So, but anyway, tonight we're gonna have it's gonna be our podcast. Can you build wealth without sacrifice? At 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll see you all then. Thank you all. I just wanted to bring y'all this quick update from on the AI Omni Assist. All right, bye everybody.